Hey there, welcome back to another video. Today, we have a little problem to tackle together. So, here's the deal. If you're working on a website and you find that some text in a div just isn't aligning correctly, well, you're not alone. The problem we're facing is that the text within a div is not aligning as expected. But fret not, I've got a simple solution that will have your text looking spick and span in no time. Solution time. What you need to do is update the CSS code and specifically target the paragraphs within the div. So, add a selector for .about-div p and set the text align property to center. Voila! Problem solved. Text aligned perfectly within the div. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope this solution helps you out with any text alignment issues you may encounter on your website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Remember, a well-aligned text is the key to a visually appealing website. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep coding, and stay awesome.